bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too.
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussie. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, this shit going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy had made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my niggas, they never betray me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me.
Got no kids, tell them I clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I let you go, then got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my move. 2500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them young, come finish you. When you being charged, yeah, you look like a crew. Real dope boy, 100,000 any beat. President's attention, I buy when I see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like coke on the hands. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this shit gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, I'm straight from the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm coke on the pavement. $1 million, $100, these niggas gon' go crazy. Wham, bitch on the baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I let you go, then you got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way, man. Living like this, they supposed to have. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I let you go, then you got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going off the way, man. Living like this, they supposed to have.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept, heaven said, God sent. At least that's what my mom says, proof is in the progress. Money's not an object, busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get, barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get, haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. Might try my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Alinda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with two girls at one time and 18.
What's up everyone, it's TheTastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I am doing a review for Glueless hair, and today I'm reviewing this amazing unit from them. I absolutely love this curly unit. This is a closure unit and the curl pattern is absolutely amazing. As you guys see, this was such a quick and easy unit to install, so I think this is going to be the perfect unit for you guys this spring and upcoming summer season because it's just absolutely gorgeous and perfect for any type of vacations you may have coming up, pool parties, you name it. This is perfect for an everyday look as well, and it's just one of those units that you can literally throw on and go if you're just running errands, if you are just a busy person, or if you just don't like to spend a lot of time on your hair. This is definitely going to be the unit for you. As you guys can see, it also comes with like this pre-plucked hairline, so you don't even have to worry about plucking it. It has a nice deep parting space as well. I want to say that this is a 5x5 unit. It's definitely very spacious as far as the closure is concerned. And if you want to, you don't have to wear it in the middle part. I definitely have worn closures like this as a flip over, and you can also wear it as a side part. So if you ever get tired of rocking it in the middle part, you can definitely just shift the unit off to the side, or you can do a flip over and just get rid of the part altogether. This is all of the hair up front. This is a very, very full unit. I'm not sure on the density for this one, but I would say this is anywhere between 180 to 200% density. It's very, very full, but it's still lightweight even though it is so thick and full, because sometimes when we have curly units and they're full like this, they can become very overwhelming. It can be very hot to wear it, and it'll make you want to like just put it up and get it out of the way. But I will say, for this to be a very full unit, it's very light, airy, and you don't have to worry about it being like overwhelming. So I do appreciate that about this unit. The only con that I would say about this unit is that it does have a little bit of a smell to it. I don't even know how to really describe the smell, but it does come with a smell. Instead of doing it like how I did today and just styling it right out of the box, I would definitely suggest washing this unit. And you can just do like a quick co-wash with some conditioner and water. Let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour and then rinse it off. That's just my suggestion. You don't have to leave it on there for an hour, but I just feel like the longer you leave the product on, the better, and it makes the hair a lot softer. It really gets like a nice scent in the hair, and because this unit does have a little bit of a smell to it, I would definitely suggest, you know, soaking it for a little bit. It's just so pretty. That's another reason why I would suggest washing the hair, because when you do a co-wash, it's really going to help those curls pop a lot more. And then just let it air dry. I know a lot of people like, and I see this a lot like on TikTok, sometimes I see it on YouTube. I don't really watch a lot of YouTubers like hair tutorials, so I can't really speak on YouTube. For sure on TikTok, I see a lot of people getting paddle brushes and like brushing their curls out, then like using a diffuser, then, you know, like trying to finger curl it, like trying to put the curl back in with their finger, and just doing all these unnecessary steps. And I just want to let you guys know, you don't have to do any of those things when it comes to curly units. The only thing you need to do, wash the hair, let it air dry. I suggest doing a co-wash rather than just using like straight up shampoo, because sometimes what certain shampoos do, they'll end up stripping the hair and then it'll cause damage to the hair in certain cases. So I would suggest, you know, not stripping the hair of all of its, you know, protein, of all of its moisture. Definitely do a co-wash. That's really going to help the curls pop out a lot more. And then I also suggest anytime that you do wash the hair, do it with cold water rather than hot water. Cold water is once again going to retain the hair and make it a lot healthier. You know, when you use hot water and like really strong shampoos, it can damage your curly hair. Try to use curly hair friendly shampoos and products. It's so full and just like amazing. I really do like this unit. I love me a good curly closure unit. Like that's really like my everyday get up, and I feel like this will be like my new everyday situation. You guys will definitely see me wear this a lot, because I have some other curly units, but I feel like because I've worn them so much for so long, like it's kind of lost its, you know, it hasn't really lost its flavor, but I just feel like because I've worn it so much, it's just time to like retire that one. And I think this will be my new everyday unit, so you guys will definitely be seeing this in a lot of my upcoming vlogs, because I absolutely love this hair. So if you guys are wondering where the hair is from, it's from Yolissa. Now, as far as the construction of this unit, I really do like the fit of this unit. It has the adjustable elastic band in the inside. It also has the adjustable strap in the back, and it comes with multiple combs. It is a very secure unit, and I like the fact that I didn't have to use any product today to adhere this unit. This is a completely product-free, glueless unit, and I absolutely love that. And as you guys see, I didn't even add any baby hair today because the hairline looks so good and they pre-plucked it so well that it really was just unnecessary to add anything extra to it. So I really like how natural it looks. I mean, it speaks for itself. It doesn't need baby hair. Like, I feel like baby hair would have definitely ruined this look, adding the baby hair to it. Like, this just looks so perfect, so natural. It's so well done. Like, it's just amazing. I really like this unit, and I love this curl pattern. I'm gonna figure out what curl pattern this is for you guys in just a moment, but yeah, this is amazing. And then once again, that parting space, it's a very deep parting space, so I love that as well. You know, I didn't have to put any concealer in this part. This is just how the part came, and I just put like foundation on the lace. So That's what's getting it to match me so well. Absolutely love it. But one thing that I will say, I like the fact that a lot of companies are paying attention to the fact that we do still want that adjustable strap in the back, because I've received a lot of units that I did like I liked the unit, but the fit of it was just like really loose in the back. Like, even though we have the adjustable elastic band at the top, the one in the back is still very important. So I like the fact that this comes with both of those, and it comes with a lot of combs, so you just get like that extra security, and that's the reason why we're able to do such a flat install without using any product. So I'm really loving that about this particular unit. Like, the construction of the unit really matters like a lot, and I'm glad that they're paying attention to that, because I really don't like when I get glueless units that don't have the strap in the back. So this is their 5x5 HD lace unit, so the lace is just perfect. So this is HD lace, if you guys are wondering. Even though it didn't have like the fray on the end, like the actual lace is very thin, and it's so comfortable to wear. It's not itchy or anything like that, and as you guys can see, it melts perfectly without any product. And this is a water wave unit. I love water wave. That's definitely one of my favorite textures outside of like deep wave. So if you guys ever want to know like what is the best curly hair to go with, I highly suggest water wave, deep wave, and sometimes even like loose deep wave, depending on the company, is just A1. Like, and Yolissa for me is one of my favorite companies when it comes to curly hair. I really like the quality of this one. You can tell like it's real human hair, and it's not like super processed, because there are some curly units that are processed, like they make it like that, where this however feels a more natural, like they may have even gotten it from a donor. I'm not gonna talk you guys' ear off too much longer. I want to give a big thank you to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. I absolutely love it. I think a lot of you guys are gonna love it too. You guys love my curly hair videos, so I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna eat this one up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Yolissa once again for sponsoring today's video, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.